Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 19. This is Section 1.4, Problem 19. It says, what is 24 less than 432? So this is subtraction. I have to do 432 minus 24. So I write the 432 as the upper number. The 24 is written beneath it so that the rightmost digits line up vertically, and I will subtract. So the rightmost column of digits, I have 2 minus 4. So this is a case where I need to borrow. The 2 is not large enough to subtract 4 from it. So I move over one column of digits to the left, find the number in the upper position of that column, which is a 3. I cross it off, reduce it to a 2. Now the 2 in the far right column can have a 1 in front of it, which will change it from a 2 to a 12. Now I can subtract. I subtract 12 minus 4, which is 8. And then I move over one column of digits to the left, and I have 2 minus 2, which is 0. And then the next column to the left, I have 4 minus nothing beneath it. So 4 minus nothing is just 4. And the final answer is 408.